Hey everyone, want to watch UK TV channels for free on your phone, PC, or smart TV? Stay with me because this method is simple and works worldwide. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am glad you are joining us today. In today's video, I will show you how to use free IPTV M3U playlists to watch UK channels easily. This is perfect if you want access to news, entertainment, and live TV using just an app and a playlist link. First, let's understand what IPTV is. IPTV means Internet Protocol Television. It allows you to stream TV channels using the internet instead of cable or satellite. All you need is a good internet connection and an IPTV player. Now let's get started step by step. The first thing you need is an IPTV player app. Some popular and easy apps are VLC Media Player, IPTV Smarters, TVMate, or GSE Smart IPTV. You can download these from Play Store, App Store, or use VLC on your computer. Once you install the app, open it and look for an option like Add Playlist or Open Network Stream. Here, you will paste an M3U playlist link. These links contain lists of TV channels. Now, very important, all channel links are given in the description. Please check all links and try the working ones because some free playlists may stop working over time. After you paste the link, click play or load. The app will automatically load channels. You will see different categories like news, sports, entertainment, and more. Just tap on any channel and start watching. For UK channels, these playlists usually include BBC, ITV, Sky News, and other free-to-air content. Availability may vary depending on the playlist. Now let me share some useful tips to improve your experience. If you face buffering, try switching to a faster internet connection like Wi-Fi. You can also use a lower quality stream if your app supports it. Another tip is to try multiple playlist links. Not all links work all the time, so always keep backup options. Also, using apps like TVMate gives a smoother experience with better UI. If a channel is not playing, don't worry. Just try another link from the description. Free IPTV is not always stable, so patience is key. Also, make sure you are using these resources responsibly and only accessing publicly available content. So that's it for today's video. Now you know how to watch free UK IPTV channels using M3U playlists in a simple way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. It really helps the channel grow and brings more useful content for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.